friends, today I'm going to tell you a healthy recipe which is helpful for the diabetic patients as well as the normal people. Everybody in the family can have this juice, which is the wheatgrass juice. Now I'm going to show you how I have grown it. This is the wheatgrass I have grown. You need to just sow the seeds of the wheat in the pot and water it every day, so that within 4 to 5 days that will grow like this. Then we can use it for the juice. Once you cut the grass, wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times and then chop the grass with the scissors nicely, and then add into the mixie jar and grind it well into juice, and then strain it in a strainer, and then add lemon and honey and you can take it. For the normal people we can add honey, and for the diabetic patients please do not add honey. They can take it only with the lime. This wheatgrass, the main ingredient in this wheatgrass is chlorophyll. In this chlorophyll, it has vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, amino acids and proteins. And then chlorophyll is also called as green blood. This rejuvenates the blood in our body, and the chlorophyll along with the oxygen mixes with the blood and purifies the red blood cells and white blood cells in our body, and it gives instant energy to us. It flushes out all the toxins from our body, and its anti-carcinogenic property keeps cancer away. So friends, I suggest everybody to follow this recipe. Have this wheatgrass juice every day in empty stomach and stay healthy and happy. Please do share this very important message to all your friends and family members, and subscribe and like my channel if you like this video. Thanks everybody for subscribing and following me. Take care, be healthy, be happy. Bye bye.